Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about the histology of the bone. Okay, first compact bone and then spongy bone. Now we are seeing the histology of the compact bone. So what we are observing, this is the osteon or the Haversian system. Then you are seeing the Haversian canal over here. If we connect these two Haversian canals, it becomes the Workman's canal. Okay. And here you are finding the lamellae, the concentric, the interstitial and circumferential lamellae. Okay, this is the compact bone. Now we'll see the spongy bone. Here we are finding the trabeculae and the nuclei. Trabeculae, the osteophytic nuclei. This is the BM bone marrow, and surrounding all of this you are finding here the fat cells. Okay, this is anywhere the osteophyte nuclei. Okay, so references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to the end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.